Hi guys, good evening. So how was your day today? So today my day was very good, and as usual, I was a little short in my market. Hi Vivek, bye, welcome. So
Hello, Vishal sir.
I'll just finish a small introduction. Maybe YouTube start here. So guys, so today we were sitting on a put side and we took some breakouts and we made some good money, guys. So you can see I have profits around 1.5 lakhs, and let us do some analysis for tomorrow, guys, and let's see what's there in store for tomorrow. And let's go to option chain first. So Vivek, bhai. So this is the option chain for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, one thing which is very this is यहाँ पे ट्रैप फंसे हुए हैं 43,000 पुट में फंसे हुए हैं लोग
43,300.
1000 पुट
Huh, there's some kind of
300 नहीं
position still there.
यस
And 43,000 put.
यस नितिन भाई ये देखो पीएनएल नितिन भाई you should unmute Nitin bhai. There's mic में प्रॉब्लम है नितिन भाई. So yeah, ये लोग टैप हुए ना कि क्वांटिटी भी ज़्यादा है. What do you feel, विवेक भाई?
So still some unwinding is still left. So if they're too strong, then they might actually
Take the market up.
take the market up, which
So,
might happen in the morning. So
okay.
they'll have an opportunity to exit.
Correct. So what I'll do is I'll show you Nifty on Monday. You know. So what's it on Monday? Tuesday. See Nifty, yesterday close क्या हुआ? So there's a lot of quantity in market. They try to open gap up. No, Nitin, it's not correct. It is literally robotic. Yeah. I'm still not getting. So विवेक भाई, तो कल का क्लोजिंग देखो. कल भी ये लोग फंसे हुए थे यहाँ पे, मगर आज सुबह मार्केट को ऊपर लेके जाके they started doing unwinding.
No, first those guys got trapped. 18,300. If you remember yesterday's discussion,
तो
18,300
नहीं
call was
कल 18,300 कॉल क्या हुआ?
there was some 18,300 was full day. There was writing, no? And then in the end, we
No,
still
that
had
is
two lakh shares
writing.
with still
तो
unwinding.
writing था, मगर कल आके इन द मनी में ट्रैप
But
थे. देखो कल ये भी फंसे थे, ये भी फंसे थे कल. ओके, तो व्हाट डिड इट इज, ये मार्केट को ऊपर लेके जाके ये लोग को ये कल का एंड का है, आज का नहीं है.
अच्छा
कल ट्यूसडे एंड का है. सो क्या किया, मॉर्निंग को मार्केट ऊपर लेके गए एंड उसके बाद वो सब निकल के फिर नीचे लेके आ गए. यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग माय पॉइंट, व्हाई आई एम शोइंग यू दिस इज द सेम सिनेरियो विद बैंक निफ्टी. अभी ये
right,
देख लेना.
got it.
ओके,
Hmm.
नाउ विल गो टू लाइव डेटा बैंक निफ्टी. सो बैंक निफ्टी में ये लोग फंसे हुए हैं यहाँ पे.
But a major unwinding already would have happened.
मेजर
From
अनवाइंडिंग हो
150,
गया, फिर भी उससे ज़्यादा है.
150 to 750 में ना सब निकल चुके होंगे. Because now the price is around what?
नो,
Around
आई एम
300,
शोइंग
I
बैंक
guess.
निफ्टी नाउ.
हाँ,
सो
Bank 50 I'm saying.
दिस
4,300 put is around 300, no?
या 360
हाँ, so unwinding would have happened. And with last 2 days, if you see,
अनवाइंडिंग हुआ है, फिर भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स है. आज का एंड ऑफ द डे है ये. ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम
हाँ,
टेलिंग इज देयर स्टिल सम heavy weights who are sitting with shorts. Okay, so you can see अब देख लो एट द मनी का भी 10 lakhs ही है. आउट ऑफ द मनी में 17.5 lakhs है नितिन, विवेक भाई. इट्स अ वेरी बिग नंबर.
hmm.
यू ट्राइंग टू गेट माई व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू पॉइंट आउट. एट द मनी,
Yeah, I'm getting that, but
एट
then the
एट द
impact is
मनी
over.
ले लो.
Because,
एट द
हाँ,
मनी क्या, अवे फ्रॉम द मनी भी 22 lakhs ही है. डीप इन द मनी 17.5 lakhs है.
hmm.
Got the point. So I'll just change the scenario because I was doing this only शाम से. So the scenario ऐसा होगा कि या तो नीचे खोल के ऊपर टोकेंगे फुल, या
Hmm.
ऊपर खोल के एक दो दिन का प्रीवियस हाई तक लेके जाके दिस गाइस विल बुक लॉस एंड दिल ट्राई टू एग्जिट. ओके, अभी सिनेरियो केस 2 लग गया है. दिल ट्राई टू टेक द मार्केट अप. समझ लो यहाँ से 200 250 पॉइंट्स तक लेके जाने का सोचेंगे and तब तक they'll try to exit in their cost and all. So I think
Exactly. So that is
they,
very likely given
that is why like it
US
because
markets
deep
also.
in the money में इतने contracts है, so we have to think about it. And I don't
Right.
know ये क्या सही data है नहीं है. What is this? 40 lakh in 30 43 500 is standing. Are they stupid? तो विल इग्नोर दिस द डेटा गलत हो सकता है यहाँ पे क्योंकि आईवी भी अपडेट नहीं हुआ बट ये गलत नहीं है आई जस्ट क्रॉस चेक्ड okay so deep in the money too many contracts so it is never good I feel am I correct
Right.
okay so this is one point we should note for tomorrow okay and this is the change and, so yes what's the update you can share the screen Vivek bhai
Okay, I'll share my
Nitin bhai
screen.
yes Nitin
What happened? Is it good now?
See, yeah, now it is perfect. नितिन भाई देखो आज क्या रिस्की है
Oh God, I
क्या
missed
ये
so
कुछ
many
नहीं
things.
ये
You were saying this. I mean, since day before yesterday, you told me that,
yes
and same thing is happening now.
yes
But
so
I took the trade. I mean, around
okay
3:15.
super what was the
I
trade sir
went long.
okay long
I
in put up
Yeah, put.
okay super
Let's see what happens.
so what you have done carried forward
It's a
sir
carry forward trade.
Yes,
Okay.
I
no
did it first time.
okay so you should not carry forward when the market falls sir because next day they'll take it up because everyone in the market is in shorts
No, but are we expecting that market will go below 41,900?
41.
41,900. We are not expecting tomorrow, sir.
Yeah, tomorrow only, na. So
Yes.
22nd December.
So
So
you are
I
short in the
sold
market, right? You sold put option.
I sold put option
Okay. You said
41,900.
okay, and you took in the money.
No, not in the money.
Okay.
41,900,
900
which
you
is
sold. Okay.
OTM puts. So I was
So, but
expecting that tomorrow it will not go below 41,900
okay.
because it has a good support there. That's why I took
Yes.
that trade.
Yes. So you can
Carry
see this
forward.
trade, sir. Bank Nifty 43,300.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what we did is 137 पे लिए and
Oh,
net we sold 238 and 238 average है so 238 बेचते ही within 2 minutes 750 गया सर
750.
within 2 minutes 2 to 4 minutes
Yeah, I was watching the charts. I mean,
if
after
you see
two,
that my profit should be 6.5 lakhs 5 lakhs चला गया but never mind risk management so but we took very good trades sir we hold it nicely and our market view was very good and Vivek bhai Mukesh bhai they were we are constantly watching open interest and we are watching options chat so no
I hope
all,
you guys mint some good money today.
yes Vivek bhai also made good money and in fact 2 2:15 we closed the chapter बोले कि जितना हुआ ठीक है so let us not get into it and try to do so
Perfect time.
2:30 तक we all winded up and even I closed my live
So now you are saying, I mean, based upon that conversation you were just having,
yes
so we are saying that, I mean, there are some big money who are
yes
already there in the money
yes
puts.
yes
So we are
so
expecting that market will go up
yes
tomorrow.
so देखो सर अभी okay 42,600 ये बाय इंडेक्स का ये 42,600 उसमें 10 लाख 11 लाख कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ही हुआ है डीप इन द मनी 17.5 lakhs है डीप इन द मनी
But OA change is like half of
वो
it
तो उससे
gone.
ज़्यादा होना था सर
Oh, you're
देखो
saying
यार
that.
21 lakhs था कल 15 लाख निकल के 6 लाख बाकी है इसमें तो एटलीस्ट 25 lakhs निकलना था इट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 5 or 6 okay so this thing we have to keep in mind guys I don't know it is a big data or not but what data shows I'm talking that okay so ये चीज क्योंकि same thing happened on nifty I'll show it on Monday to Tuesday था sir okay I think Tuesday yesterday का ही देखो sir कल in the money में we were more than at the money after unwinding you're getting my point sir in the money था ये कल आफ्टर अनवाइंडिंग इतना बड़ा अनवाइंड होके भी ऊपर हुआ अच्छा अनवाइंड कम होता तो भी कुछ नहीं
No, but 18,200 I mean, if you see
18400
the
का
number of put writers, they were very I mean, around 2 million.
वो हो सकता है आउट द मनी है ना पुट वो वी आर टॉकिंग इन द मनी में इतने बड़े थे कल
Mm-hmm.
यू आर
I
गेटिंग
see.
माई लॉजिक सी आउट द
Mm-hmm.
मनी तो बड़ा होगा ही सर यहाँ पे भी देखो आउट द मनी 70 lakhs है 80 lakhs है सो इन द मनी में आफ्टर दिस मच अनवाइंडिंग इतना हुआ है एंड एट द मनी से भी ज़्यादा है तो पक्का के बेयरिश मतलब पक्का इसका मीनिंग है कि मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा ये लोग फंस गए थे एक्चुअली जो भी पुट्रेट किए ना उनको रात नींद ही चली गई होगी बट मॉर्निंग ऊपर खोल के वो सब अनवाइंड हुआ है उसके बाद मार्केट को तोड़ के नीचे लेके गए
Okay.
सो लॉजिक समझ रहे हो उनको एग्जिट दिए है द सेम थिंग इफ यू गो विद बैंक निफ्टी
So कल exit देंगे.
थोड़ा ऊपर लेके जाएंगे मार्केट इनका अनवाइंडिंग 43,000 वी हैव टू कीप अ आई ऑन इट
43,000. Yes.
43,000 पुट में वी हैव टू कीप एन आई वहाँ जब अनवाइंडिंग होगा उनका तो मार्केट उस टाइम टूटने का चांसेस ज़्यादा है उनको एग्जिट देना चाहिए माई लॉजिक इज दैट द एंड गेम इज 43,000 जो पुट सेल है सर उनको कल अच्छा एग्जिट मिलना चाहिए
Yeah.
सो यू नो मार्केट रिवर्सल फाइंड करना तो हम लोग ये स्ट्राइक इफ यू फॉलो आई थिंक यू कैन फाइंड रिवर्सल इन दिस
Yeah, I was
विवेक
watching
भाई
the.
यस विवेक भाई
Mm,
कुछ टिप्पणी दो व्हाट डू
Hmm.
फील
So I'll just present my screen.
यस प्लीज डू baby calm down calm down
It's visible, right?
yes perfect and fine
Okay. So let's study Nifty first. Nifty huge put unwinding because a lot
okay
of shorts got covered.
okay today
Now
nifty
call rating huge amount, almost 5 lakh has been taken up in 18300. This is change in OI, which happened end of day. So
change in
18300
on a yes
tomorrow.
okay
Yeah,
done
tomorrow this getting broken, the chances are zero
zero
almost,
18,300 capture
which is 100 points away.
okay
And this call most probably should end zero ideally.
okay
We have seen some good call writing in 200 and 250 also.
250 yes
So the pressure is completely on the downside.
downside okay
And there's unwinding at each level input. So there's no
yes
confidence on the downside where there is support.
yes
So typically now the game for tomorrow would be
अबे ओपन इंटरेस्ट कितना है टोटल
total interest. Downside, there's nothing significant. 18,000 obviously, it's around figures. So
but
don't give.
200 भी
Huh.
small significant है the first step is 200
200
200
also already in the money, na? It's 18,199. So 200
okay
is anyways tested.
yes टेस्टेड अभी ये लोग
So,
कल इनका देखेंगे क्या होगा उनका भी
so
अनवाइंडिंग स्टार्ट
200
होना चाहिए
might get defended, but tomorrow the game will be if looking at stock futures, this US futures is running up.
yes
So if it continues to run up and stays there, let's take the example it
yes
stays here, then we
yes
might get a good gap up tomorrow.
yes so
And that gap up will be a very good opportunity for us to sell 18,300 calls.
calls
18,300, it has been written in the morning since 200 rupees almost.
yes
It has come to 33. So tomorrow, my trade would be like the moment it goes below 28,
okay
that's the first case where this will start going to zero. That
okay
will be pretty easy trade.
okay
So 28, retest of 28, and then if it breaks off, then it'll be zero. That's one trade.
so 18,300 you are telling
Below 28.
below 28 क्या लॉजिक है 18,300
Days low,
कॉल क्या
weekly low, yeah.
okay okay so
18,300
lowest low
weekly low,
lowest low
yeah, lower. So the moment it crosses 28, it becomes zero.
okay
But then if there's a gap up, for example, we
yes
assume there's a gap up of say almost 100
so
points,
VWAP
100
70
and 120. Like best thing would be like a good gap up happens, and this guy goes to
VWAP 75
76, the 76 level. If you
yes
get it here, then this will be the one of the good entries to get with good amount of positions, and then from there we get a rejection crosses 28, then that will can add up positions there.
okay
That is
perfect
one of the trades which you'll get. Apart from that, 18,200, if you see, this anyways the low is way too low. It's 7 rupees, so there's nothing
18,200
left
put
in this.
okay
Yeah. So if I have to sell this put tomorrow, so below 36, but if there's a gap up of 50 points also, you will never get this price.
okay तो गैप डाउन हो जाएगा ना Low
So
can
this
go.
will go down. This will
Yes.
go down at 15, 16, but the low is 7. So if my
Yes.
by price action, if you sell below 6, then you get an entry, but then
No
the
use.
lows and no use in
Yeah,
this.
yeah, I get.
So you can still even 18,300 put as like 11 rupees low.
Got
So
it.
the lows are very far.
Got it.
So in the gap up, if you typically 18,300, if you see this, if you get this at below 58, you can take a short position here.
Short position. 18,300
Below
put option.
58. Below VWAP, if you get this, then we can sell it for a
Come
target of
again.
11.
Below 58. Okay.
Below 58, you can
So
sell this.
below 58 means so टूट के ई टेस्टमेंट पे लेना.
If it goes down to
Yes.
almost 45, 50, and then comes and retests 58, then you
Yes.
can
You can take.
take an entry of sell
Okay.
trade.
So if I want to take buy तो मैं यहाँ पे scalp भी कर सकता हूँ buy करके.
Buy if you take
Because
support at 58, then you can take a buy trade here also.
yes. So
But
buy.
Vivek bhai, just
Huh.
sorry to cut you. I have a question related to the 18,000 PE. We are saying that we need to sell the PE, but we saw the data, and the data says that 18,300, there were many call writers. So
Yeah, so
are we
first
saying that?
discuss. So one is
Mhm,
that call raters will control it. They should control it because a lot of carry forward positions are there, and overall OI also is very strong. Two things.
mhm,
So if you look at this chart, overall OI is almost like way too high, almost like weekly high, and the change in open interest. So the carry forwarded people today have carry forwarded this call only.
mm.
So they have written this call. So 18300 would be a very strong resistance. So we can 18300 is an ideal place to actually go and sell this 18300 call.
Yeah, this makes sense. But how about that 18,300 PE? You're saying that if 300 PE touches the 58, we
Yeah, see
can
the chances are, see, anyways, these guys have made very good
PE
money.
PE.
From
This is
no, I'm talking
CE.
about the CE. Just look at the
Oh,
CE
okay.
chart. They made
No, no,
very good
I
money.
don't have question for the CE. That I
So even
understood.
if even if this comes to 76, for example, the market will be somewhere around 18350. Right? It will start going up. Even if the market goes up, so 18200 is where the market closed. Right?
Yeah,
Yes.
If you look at Nifty,
yeah.
18200 is where it closed. Even if it goes to almost 376, this 18300 people have no issues.
Hmm, hmm. No, no, makes
Right?
sense.
Calls. So that's where then this put sell trade will start getting activated.
Right, right. So I
Because
think
this
for
the chances are
tomorrow,
even
yeah.
this will be zero. So 18300
Hmm,
might be zero tomorrow, and 18300 call also, if it'll be somewhere between 75 and zero.
hmm, hmm.
But chance of this
Yeah,
going up is very low, and this guy below 58 might again come to zero.
yeah. So as Vishal bhai was saying that tomorrow the chances are high that first it will go up and then it will again come down because of those
Yes.
in the money
नहीं,
Yeah.
come
banking
down,
If it,
sector.
but come down. We'll try to find out, sir. Unwinding होगा
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
समझो.
Yeah, yeah.
Then it means कि
so,
market can turn. नहीं
so
तो
if it
इनके
goes up,
हिसाब से तो कल एक्सपायर 43,000 के ऊपर है. Market
Hmm.
will expire above 43,000 डेटा के
Okay,
हिसाब से.
got it.
Because
but if
this doesn't usually
76, this will
happens.
give an entrance anyways. We'll get a good entry here to sell this.
76
Hmm.
18,300 we can say.
Yeah,
In the morning. Okay.
in the
Yes.
morning, the morning trade. Very similar to what we got today, 18500.
Okay.
So
We'll do the same
that
thing.
is more or less the trade, like based on levels again. So 18300 is where you need to keep a watch. 200 anyways, if it opens gap up, this will be close to zero, so no use. 18300 is where the action will build up, will start happening.
Okay. So 80,300 call and put are important.
Yeah, so these two are where the action will happen.
Okay.
Hmm.
So can we go long in this straddle 18,300 long straddle?
But then right entry will have to come in. That at what level exactly you want to. The Nifty has to travel 100 points. So exactly to open at 18300, then you can try it.
Okay. So,
Somewhere if this is taking resistance at 76,
hmm,
that should be the ideal point of in the morning. If this opens gap up, does 76, that will be ideal point to take your
to take
straddle
a
trade.
shot. Okay. So, how was your day, Vivek? So how was it today?
Day was like one of the best in this week. This
Yes.
week, anyways, has been very good in terms of trading.
Yes.
But today was like since
Little
morning
bit.
we're getting our
Yes.
calls right.
Yes.
Like we had a
Way
very,
too good. Yes.
yeah, strong logic, and like, as per logic it worked very well.
Yes.
So if you remember 18300 PE, we had this previous day resistance,
Hmm.
multiple rejections. So even in this rejection also we took a trade,
Yes.
and the moment it crossed it,
It
it
crossed the
rocketed out.
we made a jackpot. Yes.
And the high was or weekly high was 141,
Okay.
and that is where again a sell trade got activated.
Okay.
So in this market where the market was falling like
Hmm.
crazy, like just based on levels, I took a sell trade here, and that also
Yes.
gave almost 40
Good
points
money.
in 5 minutes.
Super. So, so so
So I guess
so
at
how
this time
much
we took a
percentage you made?
buy
You
trade.
you made 10%, right? So what is your target per month?
My target per month used to be like 5 to 6%,
Okay. So
but
when will you take
this
a
week,
pause? So
sorry,
you should always take a pause and a break, Vivek.
yeah. So trading live and
Or
trading with you
size
guys.
trading size कम कर देना.
So anyways, next week I'm not in town. I'm
Okay.
traveling. So
Okay.
next week I'm not
So where are you
trading.
traveling, Vivek?
I'm with my family. I'm traveling to Vietnam.
Oh wow, super. Very cool place.
Yeah. So tomorrow Friday will be like I'll trade, and
Tomorrow
then next
Thursday. And
tomorrow Thursday. But I feel the expiry moves already come today.
okay. No,
I,
brother.
expiry is already done for them.
See,
Like
looking at
Wednesday
Bank
itself,
Nifty
expiry is
open
done.
interest, another big move is coming.
It's not much, right? It's like you're talking about 18 at a 43,000. Yeah, these guys are
Yes.
still there. But this was highest OI. If you remember, this was around 7 8 lakhs. So from
Yeah,
there, it
but
has come to
unwinding has not happened.
1.5.
No, unwinding नहीं हुआ. I'm not telling कि highest है, lowest है. Unwinding or logically there should be unwinding. I'm not asking
No,
anything else.
the
ये
unwinding has happened. No? This was at 7 in the morning. Now it is at 1.7. So basically, almost 80% positions are gone.
नहीं वो उससे ज़्यादा जाना था.
Hmm.
अभी मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ उसके आगे अच्छा एट द मनी का ले लो एट द मनी सबसे ज़्यादा होना व्हाट इज द एक्सपीरियंस एट द मनी पुट शुड बी द बिगेस्ट
No, it should be, but then these kind of moves have changed the
भाई
positions of the
ये तो
weekly
हम
positions.
लोग तो
Na?
इससे 300 पॉइंट नीचे जाके भी केम अप तब भी वो लोग अनवाइंड नहीं किए वही तो मैं ये आई एम शॉक्ड वी आर बैंक
Hmm.
निफ्टी हैज क्लोज्ड एट 42658 वी वेंट 42400 इससे 300 पॉइंट नीचे गए हम लोग तब भी इन लोगों का अनवाइंडिंग नहीं हुआ मतलब क्या हिम्मत है हम आस्किंग जस्ट no, I'm not telling I'm correct wrong. But what I feel is there's some big player who's thinking market can be pulled up and they are planning something big for tomorrow. That is my end feeling. I can be
But
wrong.
then
कल
they
200
can.
पॉइंट ऊपर लेके जाके अनवाइंड करेंगे तो विल गेट अ सिग्नल कि ये अनवाइंडिंग स्टार्ट हो गया मार्केट नीचे जाएगा बट वो लोग अनवाइंड हुआ ही नहीं कल तो पक्का दिल क्लोज अराउंड 43,000 आई फील
Yeah, it can happen. That was the maximum put rating for the entire week.
यस
So that is a level where mm, now the max pain is there in some ways.
क्योंकि प्रीमियम तो बचा नहीं है 500-600 पॉइंट नीचे गया है फुल तो इन द मनी हो गया तब भी अनवाइंड नहीं हुआ आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड
So one data critical to watch would be like what are FIs carry forwarded.
यस
So typically from NEC data you can see
वो तो
if they have carry forwarded taken puts and
लॉन्ग
this put
लॉन्ग पुट्स है वो लॉन्ग पुट्स है वो
the
शॉर्ट
long
ही है
puts,
फुल यस यस दे आर इन शॉर्ट
then
देर
this
इज
can be long puts also, no? If we are
लॉन्ग पुट्स
thinking this,
होगा बट बुक प्रॉफिट कुछ तो करेंगे यार अभी क्या बोल रहा हूँ
hmm,
मैं दिस टाइप ऑफ डेटा ऊपर लेके जाएंगे ठोकेंगे करके आई फील बिकॉज कल ही देखा मैं कल का ही आज
hmm.
एक्सपीरियंस हुआ पहले का मेरे को आइडिया नहीं है Okay, so if you see total इसमें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट थे 35 lakhs कल क्लोजिंग 35 lakhs में 16 लाख अनवाइंड हुआ है 17.5 is still pending.
Hmm.
ओके अबे वो इशू वही है एटलीस्ट अनवाइंडिंग इससे ज़्यादा होना चाहिए या तो नो
Yeah, so the gap up will give them opportunity. See, US markets are simply flying now. It's from 300 as we talk. It almost more than 100 points more. Where's SGX? SGX
यस
is already at 300 already.
या 350 हो गया ये तो लेट आपका डिलेट होगा ना उसमें एस जी एक्स
इस पे 309 दिखा रहा है. This is which
30
contract है?
का लाइव ही होगा
Uh, but still shows almost like
Yeah,
how
300
much
के
would that be?
आसपास. Yes.
Uh, if that level comes, then obviously
Mm,
first my call trade will be activated, then my put trade will be activated.
perfect, man. Perfectly done.
But chances are high this both options will be zero. It will expire somewhere very close to
Very
300
close to 300.
because 300 like the logic which you have right
Mm.
43,000 is something which was the highest put open interest for the week.
Okay.
Similarly, 18,300 also was the highest OI open interest for the week.
Okay.
So almost for 4 days, this was the highest OI.
Okay.
Just today it has broken and closed above it. Chances are high tomorrow if it gaps up, then they might try to defend this level.
Correct.
So the next entry, let's say I am not comfortable with 76 for the 18,300 call.
Right.
So Vivek, can we take the another entry? Let's say that because given you are saying that we are 400 point plus in the Dow Jones, so we're expecting a big gap up. So you're
So if
saying in the
76,
gap up,
so if
yeah.
this 76 is crossed and sustained,
Hmm.
then this will go to the two day high, and day high is way too far. Typically, then the
Okay.
unwinding will start. So whoever has taken this writing position today, they will start unwinding, and
Hmm.
that unwinding will then rocket out this put.
Hmm.
So the next stop, ideally, so if you look at the next highest open interest, it's 18,400. 18,400
So
very
you
high
can
open
look at
interest,
18,300 and sell 18,400, sir.
Hmm.
just to be
Makes
on the
sense.
safer
But
side.
action, okay, 18,300 में you'll get to know before it's.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
18,400
So
में
if,
तो time लगेगा.
So that's a good
Three,
idea. Yes. Yes.
yeah, 300 versus
three.
75. The next resistance is 18,400 touching 48.
Yes.
Hmm.
Now, if
Hmm.
48 is broken, for 48 to break, market has to travel almost like 250 points.
Mm,
So it's well controlled. Tomorrow, anyways, the call writers have got very good money.
mm,
So
Hmm.
tomorrow's
Hmm.
scenario looks very well controlled for the call writers. They can control it anywhere around this levels, bring it down and bring it to zero.
correct. Dow is still flying, man.
Yeah, so tomorrow gap up if I get, then if this opens above 76 something around here, it starts going up, I'll short this one first if I get 48.
Okay, got it.
Because somewhere the upside will stop.
Mm. No,
Because anyways, if
18,300 तो strong ही है यार.
FIs have put long
Mm.
and
They have index short sellers.
18,300, 18,400, everything like this level, if you remember yesterday evening we discussed,
Mm.
this was the
Chain.
VWAP of Monday.
Mm.
Exactly, they took it till in the morning we had green candles.
Yes.
They took it till there, and the moment I saw it's not sustaining above 45, I built up huge short positions in this option. Looking
Perfect.
at this chart, I took an entry in 18,400
Okay.
around here, around 105,
Okay.
and that 20% I was holding till quite some time,
Super.
almost around 25 or something. I pulled out.
Super. Super.
So what gives you confirmation typically is when the VWAP breaks. Like this was the VWAP. When this broke, it retested,
Yes.
retested, and then never it sustained above the VWAP, and then it went off.
Correct. So this type of market called option selling is good. Option buying is good.
See, anyways, it's a like this week has been, I would say, good moves are come on both the sides.
Okay.
So option buying has been good. If I analyze the, let's see the bank chart.
Mm.
I'll just see Nifty Bank. Look at the daily chart. Today's like this week you have seen some big candles coming in, right?
Yes.
If you look at this entire area, literally nothing happened. And this and almost like so many days, for so many days, if you see the
Consolidation.
movement was nothing. Even the
Yes.
market was slowly moving up, but the intraday, if you see high and low, it was like 200,
Yes.
300 points.
Okay.
Nowhere like this big candles was formed in the last 1 month.
Okay.
So this phase was the best time to do option writing.
Okay.
And for option buying, obviously we need some kind of trendy and big moves. So
Yes.
now we see a good candle has come in. If something similar to these kind of candles come in, then option buying becomes interesting.
Okay.
But with these small moves, it's all under control of the writers.
Okay.
So will you see this range? It's like 43,000 to 40,400. It stayed in this range for almost 7 8 days.
Okay.
Bank Nifty with 1% ATR was something I haven't ever seen in my life.
Okay.
Now the ATR today was like 700. Now it felt like today we are trading Bank Nifty
Okay. So
after a
finally
long
we are
time.
getting that till.
Yeah, so earlier you see so many big candles used to come. Now those big candle 500,
Yes.
600 points used to
Yes.
come. But off late, since it broke the all-time high,
Yeah.
it broke 41,800. After that, you see the candle size was
Very slow.
nothing.
Very slow.
It
Very
was
damn
boring,
slow.
and yeah, Bank Nifty became very boring.
Yeah.
But now if it starts breaking and this 50 EMI is gone, then some big candles come by. It'll be
Okay.
interesting to trade it.
Perfect, man. Perfect.
Same with Nifty also. Even that will hardly had any ATR for quite some time.
Okay.
So during those times, call writing was easy, comparatively easy. But then
Okay.
now I would say option buying days
Very
have come.
super, man. Super. Giving me good motivation.
So the area where I sell is
Yeah.
the area where you buy,
Correct.
right? The moment if I go to 70, if this goes to 48, if I
Yes.
sell here
I'll
at the
buy
same
put.
time tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow it's all equal, right? Tomorrow there's
Yes.
no time, money, no decay kind of
Yes.
situation, very less.
Yes.
So if I sell here, you buy there, then at the same time, call goes down, the put will start going up,
Correct. So first thing in the morning, I'll be looking at 43,000 put. So first 15
right?
20 minutes, I'll keep a close watch. So with gap up, if if there's put unwinding, definitely I'll try to be short in the market.
Right. So
If
today also,
not,
like if this
yeah,
80 level, if you remember, like
yes,
when it broke
yeah, yeah,
80,
yeah.
like you bought the
140.
option, I sold call option.
You sold call
So
option, yes,
basically, yeah. So I'll same action looking at the same chart.
yes,
I was selling a call options looking at this chart. You were like the moment it crossed 80, you bought all the you bought this put option.
yes. But this tested our patience. 1 घंटा patient test किया.
But good now. The more and more consolidation around
Yeah.
one level, the more
Yes,
strong the
but
breakout
अभी
was.
20-25 रुपए stop loss सब निकल गया ना. One time I gave stop loss ना.
Hmm.
वो they wanted me 4 5 times मेरे को stop loss डालता तो 4 times चला जाता.
Now that is the good point about I would say
Selling.
of writer of option
Yes,
of
selling,
selling.
selling.
In
Yes,
selling, your even if the market goes up against you, it'll go up by 5 6 points.
correct,
Especially if you're out of the money or somewhere in the money, the moment won't be that much. But
correct,
put if you see even with 10 points, this will fall 10 points.
correct.
So that's where option buying is something which I don't personally prefer nowadays.
Okay, cool, Vivek. Then, so Nitin, bhai, what's the plan for tomorrow?
Yeah, same thing. Gap up and selling 18,400.
Super. So Dow देखा भाई
कहाँ उड़ा दिए? Where
उड़ा
is it?
दिया उड़ा
Five
दिए
500. What
उड़ा
happened? Some
दिए
news.
उड़ा दिए उड़ा दिए
Some news would have come.
न्यूज़ यही बोला ना पुटेटस बैठे हैं वहाँ पे उनको पता है न्यूज़ आने वाला है
कॉल लेटर के तो कल शॉर्ट कवरिंग होने वाली है
Talk
मतलब.
about the Nike, FedEx results boost Wall Street rebound. Okay, some results have come good.
व्हाट वाज द स्टॉक लाल
So
पैट लैब्स ना उसका क्या हुआ वो
हाँ,
क्या ऊपर गया
it
वो
took an exact it took an exact support there only.
हाँ
No,
फार्मा स्टॉक्स के नाम
I
में
was looking for sell, someone looking for buy for
यस
them.
क्या वॉल्यूम आया
That
देखना यार डेली में टू बिग वॉल्यूम इन डॉक्टर लाल पैट डेली डाउन
I know,
टू बिग वॉल्यूम
and this is exactly to 1 rupee level.
यस
What we discussed. I was looking to sell below this level, and someone who is on the buy side will take
यस
obviously above this level. So this is where your buy stop loss is less and my sell stop loss is less.
ओके सो व्हाट इज सिंगापुर निफ्टी ना 350 होगा
323.
323 so this is going slowly only so 43 के आसपास लेके चले जाएंगे
So we'll now if tomorrow unwinding starts in 18300
हम्म
call,
हम्म
then again we get a big move on the upside.
भाई मुंह तो है भाई एक एक में आई एम टेलिंग यू ना उनको न्यू ईयर
This week
क्रिसमस पार्टी चाहिए दे वांट अ सांता
one
वैली इन ऑप्शंस
one day call has been moving. Monday, Tuesday it went down again, moved up. Wednesday up, top to down. So down to top, top to down, down to top, top to down has been going for the entire week. Not even one sideways. This is the first expiry, weekly expiry I'm seeing. There's not even a single sideways
नहीं
day
कल
the entire
एक्चुअली
week.
ऊपर खुला तो सबसे ज़्यादा लॉस आके रिटेल पब्लिक को हुआ. Many of them are so in put side, put लिए हुए short पे हैं. Many people, you know, all the groups, all the channels, they in short only. BTST
Right.
put,
And
BTST
so
short.
they'll be trapped.
Yes.
And
So
then
when
unwinding
if
will
they
start.
are trapped, no market will move more than what happened today. Just an analysis. I'm not confirming anything.
But
So
recently also in Dow a very big move
आज
had
जो
come and the
कमाए वो
inflation
स्लो.
data had come. वो
Today
दिन sort हो गया
smart
था
people
पूरा.
were in put side. They made money. आज closing
Hmm.
पे smart people are not at put side. Public is in the put side. I feel. Okay. If you guys talk to anyone in the market, वो यही बोलेंगे हम तो सब short में है भैया, short में है भैया. BTST. What is
Hmm.
BTST? They'll be like BTST means buy put and leave. So I think कल गैप अप हुआ अनवाइंडिंग हुआ तो कल का जो ट्रैप होगा ना दैट इज ओनली पब्लिक.
No, but this full week BTSC traders have been screwed very badly.
तो भी यार
On
बीटीएसटी
Monday call पूरा ऊपर गया था and then it opened below at weekly low.
बीटीएसटी वाले कुछ
Then
भी बोल देखो
हाँ.
जो जिनका स्ट्रैटेजी वो लेंगे ही. ओके. सो व्हाट आई फाउंड इन ऑल द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप्स ऑल माय व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स सब यही बातें कर रहे हैं कि बीटीएसटी पुट ऑप्शन में हूँ शॉर्ट में हूँ सोल्ड कॉल ऑप्शन ये बातें ही है. ओके. सो आई फील न्यू आई मैन डाउ जोन्स भागा 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 भाग गया.
चलो let's see tomorrow morning where
Yes, final
our
then
market
tomorrow.
opens.
Yes, let's enjoy tomorrow. And another big days are coming, guys. So people who are
Yeah.
watching, give a like and subscribe. And meet you guys tomorrow morning. And Nitin bhai, Vivek bhai, thank you so much. Kal morning, I'll see you guys. Please be on time. First
Yes.
5-10 minutes, mein, we are going to hit a jackpot. Okay?
Yeah.
Chalo,
Sure.
bye
Okay.
Nitin and Vivek.
Bye everyone. Good night.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes. So guys, so to all the people who are watching, I just have one problem. 43,000 put, there's a lot of outstanding stocks. So this level is very important to watch for tomorrow. 43,000 put options. So tomorrow morning, join with me in Zoom meeting. Together we'll try to buy options and make wonderful money. And if you want to do option selling also, you can join. So we do open interest analysis. We do data analysis on uh, stock options and we take a trade, guys. So if you guys are interested, please join tomorrow Google Meet during live markets and please like this video and subscribe. See you tomorrow, guys.